Oh.
Welcome, baby. Hindi kayo sigurado.
Tagal na daw, ilang years ago na. 30 years. 20. Ano na ba si Jude? Yan. Mamaya ayusin, palitan na lang natin. Sabihin mo. Yan mo muna sila maglaro. Hindi, daddy pwede niyo po ba tawagin? Sabihin niyo pwede na po po. Kasi para tayo makita muna. Kanta ng kanta.
Don't shake the baby.
Talaga.
No, don't shake, don't shake.
Baby.
Oh, buhatin na daw ni Mami na.
Sabi ko ako naligo na kanina. Baby space.
Hey, don't put anything, okay?
The baby's crying.
Ano natin? Oh.
Baby, I am playing with you. May ibibilag na naman pala kami. Yay!
Wow!
Baby!
Love, baby sister.
Baka natin dito sa...
Oh, baby sister. Don't kiss yet, ha?
Ay, nakapikit pa.
Love.
Yay! I got touch the hands.
Ears.
Baka mamaya, tapos nila lang yun. No small toys, okay? Don't put anything in the crib, okay?
Don't touch your baby sister. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Ano ka excited, ah?
Dito. Ayan na.
Ayun, si Mami Lo.
Yay!
Ang lamig ng kamay.
Ang lamig ng kamay.
We miss you, baby.
Di.
I miss you so much.
Middle child na ako.
I miss you so much.
Tulog na tulog pa. Baby, are you tired? Ang taas ng ilo.
Don't touch the baby's face, okay?
Tuwa-tuwa.
Yes. Taas ng ilo. Taas ng ilo. Di ba noon binibilang ko ito, dinadala ko dyan.
Eh, may
Baby Carrie, yes, Carrie.
Nakapikit pa. Nakapikit
Gusto na ang
pa.
dumilan yun eh.
Ay.
Wow!
Ay, no. Ay.
Hindi ito yung expect ko, ah.
excited niya. Yan. Oh, yan. That's for baby Carrie.
Oh.
Oh, sige. You can open it. Get your name.
Open it.
Sige, go.
It's birthday.
Tingnan mo.
See, baby. Don't poke the baby, okay? Don't touch it. Yes, you can touch the baby like this, but be very gentle, okay? Soft touch lang. Be very gentle, Nini. Not the baby's face. Hey, don't be so gigil, okay? Not the baby's face.
Tulog pa.
Ito si Ramel. Wala atang break. Litaw pa yung puwet.
Parang abang na anak. Sir, open gift. Look. Open them. Open them. No. You can do it. Yeah.
Ano nga ba to?
Siri.
What's that?
Naalala ko na sa ano lang.
That's an X.
Oh, where's yours?
Kidding.
Itlog yan, itlog.
Whoa.
Wow!
What's that?
Dali.
Play-Doh.
How about yours, kuya?
Lalo! Hey!
Oh.
Kuya!
Ayan. Ano ba?
Sige, open mo, kuya.
Help Siri, kuya. Dali.
How about yours? How about yours, kuya? You're gonna like yours.
Oh, kuya, open it.
I'm not.
Sige na, you're gonna like yours.
Oh,
If you
Siri.
don't open it, you don't have a toy.
Siri, help kuya. Wow.
Dali, ayos kuya.
I want that one.
No.
What is it?
Don't say yay, everybody.
Okay, we will say yay.
Yay!
Sige, open. Oh, help kuya,
Rafael is
Siri.
a good dancer, ha?
Wow! Dali na, Nay.
Exercise.
Oh, exercise.
Oh, help kuya, Siri, help kuya. Help kuya.
Dali, help kuya.
Oh,
Just don't get
alam niyo kung saan. Alam niyo doon sa meeting. Sige, go open. Help, help kuya.
Gonna kiss us.
What's that?
Bye. Kuya, why do we want it to? No, it's not.
Open
Sige
it,
na.
open it.
Oh, hindi natutuwa.
Kuya.
Wow!
Oh, kuya, what's that?
Big book.
Ay, wag daw pala mag-wow. Kuya Siri, sige.
Ayaw mo niyan?
Open it and give it to kuya.
I don't want to get it. Why not? It's yours, Mama.
Yeah, that's yours, Siri. Sige. Open it.
Ano, Jumi? Iusap mo dito yun.
Yay!
Jobs, iusap mo yung table dito. Ay, iusap mo yung table dito. Jumi, iusap mo yung table dito.
Dito.
Ah,
Saan?
Dali, nakikita. Binibigyan kami dyan.
We go to the park. We go to the park.
Ganyan. Serious, ano raw na?
I will go to the park, baby.
Okay.
Janet, mga sabaw-sabaw. Janet.
Wow.
Dede, ano? Kung paano ng gatas.
You can kiss her. Good job, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Ganyan, nakakapag mo, Jobs.
Nakakapag ko. Pero, ang weight na kay Siri.
Wow, love your baby sister. Ha?
Do you love your baby sister? Don't do that to your little sister, okay? You don't touch your little sister's face.